Toy Story 4. The toys are back. The rootiest, tootiest snake and his bootiest cowboy in the Wild West, or in your closet. It's Sheriff Woody, complete with his pull string action and 8 phrases. Woody is a loyal toy who can help you round up friends, kids, lost toys, or even confused cutlery. Hey, howdy, hey, get a Sheriff Woody today. To be or not to be. Put away that chili or salad and close that trash can because Forky is here to be a toy. Whether you need help getting through that first day of school or you want to be a sculptor, toy maker, or recycling technician when you grow up, Forky is the friend for you. Let Mother Goose shine a light in the dark. Bo Peep and her sheep are back. Despite the porcelain Bo is as strong as she is resourceful. Shepherd her flock around a reading lamp. Take her on dangerous rescue missions or pick her up for an afternoon of free play in a sandbox. We've got a Cold Cute, I repeat, Cold Cute, Minneapolis top pet patrol officer, Giggle McDimples, is on the scene. If a friend needs rescuing, call on her. She may seem small, but Giggle's big detective skills will save the day while you play. Don't just reach for the stars, go to infinity and beyond. In the darkness of uncharted space, you'll find phrases and laser lights to guide you with the Buzz Lightyear Deluxe Space Ranger action figure. His retractable wings enable Buzz to stylishly fall to the rescue whenever a friend or a kid needs him. Win this pair and they will win your heart. Hop right up and try your duck at a fabulous prize. Best friends Ducky and Bunny are inseparable. Sewn with the finest polyester fabric, this set of neon woodland creatures is stuffed silly. These besties will have you in stitches before you can say quack. Gabby loves you. Will you love her too? Give the gift of Gab. This huggable Gabby doll has so many things to say. You'll forget that silence is golden. The Queen of Gab also loves being pushed in her stroller and sipping tea politely during those moments when quiet is king. Jump at the opportunity to watch this legend in action. Take home Canada's greatest stuntman with this posable Duke Kaboom action figure and motorcycle, plus working ramp and launcher. No jump is too high, and no stunt is too dangerous. Master the jump with your Duke Kaboom Deluxe Daredevil set today. How will you tell your toy story? Some toys can be big. Some toys can be small. Some toys can be loud. Some don't make much noise at all. Some toys make the jump. Some toys tumble and fall. But all the toys are here for their kids and for each other, one and all.